There's a new AI agent in town and it's making OpenClaw look slow. It's called ZeroClaw. And the claim is wild. It does almost everything OpenClaw does, but uses way less power, way less RAM, and way less of your computer's brain. We're talking under 5 MB of RAM. That's basically nothing. So today we're going to install it live, test it, break it, and find out if it's actually worth your time. Stay with me, because at the end, I'm going to show you something that will change how you think about AI agents. Think of it like this. OpenClaw is a big truck, powerful, heavy, gets the job done, but it needs a big engine and a lot of fuel. ZeroClaw is a motorbike, fast, light, lean, gets you there just as quick, sometimes quicker. It's a personal AI agent that runs right on your own device. No company servers, no cloud nonsense, just you and your machine doing the work. It connects to Telegram, Discord, WhatsApp. It can run terminal commands. It was built by serious developers from major institutions, and it's fully open source on GitHub, which means anyone can use it and anyone can build on it. And here's why that matters. AI agents are only getting smaller and faster. The future isn't just big, expensive models sitting on someone else's server. It's lean, fast, local tools that run on normal computers. ZeroClaw is part of that future, and it's happening right now. There's a whole ecosystem of OpenClaw-based tools growing right now. Developers all around the world are taking the OpenClaw framework and building lighter versions of it, versions that start up faster, use less RAM, and run on older machines. This is genuinely huge because most people don't have a crazy powerful computer. Most businesses, most creators, most everyday people just want something that works fast without crashing everything else they have open. A ZeroClaw was built for those people, and it's gaining momentum fast. Before we go deeper, quick one. If you're using tools like ZeroClaw to automate your business, you need to be inside the AI Profit Boardroom. It's where serious business owners are learning how to use AI agents, automations, and systems exactly like this one to grow faster, save time, and do more with less effort. We break down tools like ZeroClaw, show you exactly how to use them in your business, and give you the templates, workflows, and shortcuts so you don't have to figure it out alone. Link is in the description. Jump in, it's worth it. Okay, back to it. So first you clone the repo straight from GitHub. Simple terminal command, takes about 30 seconds. Then you install the dependencies, which takes a bit longer, not instant, so grab a coffee while it runs. Then you add your API key. I used OpenRouter and it works great with ZeroClaw. One important thing though, if you're on a shared machine, delete your API key after testing. Security first, always. Now here's something really important to understand before you get excited and download this thing. ZeroClaw has no visual interface at all. No browser window, no pretty buttons, no drag and drop dashboard. It's all terminal, all command line, all API. That means it's not for everyone. If you're a beginner who wants a nice visual setup, this isn't your tool right now, but if you're a developer, a builder, or a technical person who's comfortable in the command line, this is clean, this is fast, and this is incredibly powerful, because why test it on some random boring prompt when we can actually use it to grow a real business? Here's what I did. I gave ZeroClaw this prompt: write a high converting landing page for the AI Profit Boardroom, explain what it is, who it's for, and why someone should join today. Make it punchy, make it clear, and focus on the transformation around saving time, automating tasks, and growing a business with AI. And here's what happened. It came back fast, really fast. It gave me a full landing page structure, headline, sub-headline, bullet points, social proof section, and a CTA. Was it perfect straight out of the box? No. But was it a solid first draft in under 10 seconds? Absolutely yes. Then I pushed it further with another prompt. Write a 5-email welcome sequence for new members joining the AI Profit Boardroom, where each email teaches them one AI automation tip and invites them to engage with the community. Again, under 15 seconds, 5 complete emails done. Not perfect, but 80% there, which means 80% less work for me. That's the game. Speed, leverage, iteration. Let's talk actual numbers, because this is where ZeroClaw gets interesting. RAM usage sits under 5 MB, which is genuinely insane. Your browser tab is probably using more than that right now. Startup time is almost instant compared to OpenClaw, which takes noticeably longer to boot. It's built in Rust, which is a programming language known specifically for speed and efficiency. So this thing is engineered from the ground up to be lean. For anyone running older hardware, a laptop from 5 years ago, a budget VPS, even an older desktop, ZeroClaw just works. OpenClaw in some of those situations simply won't. Let me be straight with you, because I'm not here to hype something that doesn't deserve it. ZeroClaw is not as powerful as OpenClaw for complex tasks. If you need deep reasoning multi-step planning, or long context windows, OpenClaw still wins that battle. ZeroClaw is better suited for quick tasks, fast outputs, and simple automations, where speed matters more than depth. There's also the GUI issue. No visual interface means there's a real learning curve if you're not already comfortable working in the terminal. And the setup, while not too complicated, does require you to configure API keys and gateways. It's not plug and play. But for developers, builders, and people who know what they're doing, it feels like a proper weapon in your toolkit. Here's the honest answer. If you're technical, yes, use it. If you want to automate parts of your business and you're already comfortable with command line tools, absolutely go for it. If you want a lightweight agent that doesn't slow down your machine while you've got 30 other things open, this is your tool. But if you're a beginner who wants something visual and simple to start with, wait. Use OpenClaw or another tool with a proper interface first. Get comfortable with how AI agents work, then come back to ZeroClaw. There's no shame in that at all. Tools have learning curves, and starting where you are is always the right move. Here's something most people completely sleep on. ZeroClaw is open source, which means you can look at the code, modify it, and build on top of it however you want. And the community building around these tools is growing fast. Every single week, there are new forks, new builds, new improvements being pushed by developers who are obsessed with making this leaner and more capable. This isn't a finished product, it's a platform, and 6 months from now, ZeroClaw or something built on top of it could be significantly more powerful, with better integrations, maybe even a proper UI, and even better performance. Getting in early and understanding how these tools work right now gives you a real edge when that happens. Honest answer, no, not yet. OpenClaw is still more capable for complex tasks, still has a better interface, and still easier for most people to jump into, but ZeroClaw is lighter, faster, and more efficient. For the right use cases, it's not a destroyer, it's a specialist. Use the right tool for the right job. For quick automations, lightweight deployments, and technical users who want maximum efficiency, ZeroClaw wins. For deep tasks, visual interfaces, and beginner-friendly setups, OpenClaw still leads. The good news is you don't have to pick one. You can run both and use each where it makes the most sense. ZeroClaw is impressive. The efficiency is real, the speed is real, and the low resource usage is real. If you're serious about AI automation, you should know this tool exists, understand how it works, and start thinking about where it fits in your stack. Because the future of AI isn't just big, powerful models, or it's fast, lean, local tools that put control back in your hands. ZeroClaw is a step in that direction, and it's only going to get better. 2 things before you go. First, the AI Profit Boardroom. This is where we go deep on tools like ZeroClaw with real breakdowns, real workflows, and real examples you can use in your business today. If you want to automate, systemize, and grow faster using AI, this is the room to be in. Link is in the description. Second, the AI Success Lab is free. It has 40,000 members and it's packed with 100+ AI use cases, SOPs, templates, and all the notes from videos like this one. If you want the full process and not just the highlights, that's where to go. Links are in the comments and description. Drop a comment below and tell me, are you team lightweight AI or team full feature? Let's talk. See you in the next one.